ni Ri'Abaremarete imeye kaunti ya Kisii babwatana na babwatani be gusina bamwabo Ense Engima Gochengera Rituko Ri'Abaremarete babwate oborema imeye Ensemo ya Kisii Culture Hall korengana n'umuteneneri w'ekiombe ky'abantu bale n'oborema gya National Council for Persons with Disabilities imeye kaunti ya Kisii James Eskon nigo aereire kirenga ky'Rituko ria rero asokubwatirana na bale n'oborema asobokoreri muteneneri w'obokoreri bw'abana ime kaunti ya Kisii Patrick Awino nigo nere aganiria AMASIKANI asa bale n'oborema oigo muteneneri w'ikiombe kya nakada agikeire bali bagotumeka abarema konya amariogo yogotindia nigo bone gati ya bale n'oborema bagokeire obokonyi banyorire na kuburia ogosirwa ase chinjira kurwa ase serikali murikito Petro Machini na mange
Rituko ria rero ni gabonzo bali babwatwa oborema ime kaunti ya Kisii babwatana na bamwe Ense Engima Gochengera Rituko ria bali babwatwa oborema ime Ensemo ya Kisii Culture Hall kuringana n'umuteneneri w'ekiombe ky'abantu bali n'oborema gya National Council for Persons with Disabilities ime kaunti ya Kisii James Eskon nigo aereire kirenga ky'Rituko ria rero.
Today's theme was fostering disability inclusive societies for advancing social progress. So we are calling all stakeholders from various that there is no development if anyone is left behind. There is no any progress that is needed, and we are encouraging that every institution, either public or private, to ensure that disability mainstreaming has been upheld, and the policies in terms of accessibility of buildings or any other accessibility is being upheld.
Asensemea muteneneri w'omu county commissioner Joseph Maina nigatebire meroberio yokubwatirana igati serikali nene ye county eri gokonya abari n'oborema.
We as government were also able to enumerate the nature and kinds of benefits available to people living with disabilities. Specifically, we were able to enumerate the policy, the government, the national and county government policies on people living with disabilities. We have been able to give one wheelchair. We have also been able to give a few walking equipment to these people.
Muteneneri w'obokoreri bw'abana ime kaunti ya Kisii Patrick Awino nigasensemo ya nera aganiria AMASIKANI asa bale n'oborema oigo muteneneri w'ekiombe gya nakada agikeire bali bagotumeka abarema konya amariogo yogotindia.
There's what we call disability etiquette. Disability etiquette is a matter of saying persons with disability, not a person living with disability. Because to us, as per the Disability Act, that one is somehow derogatory. So it's more or less like it is better for us to be inclusive in terms of dignity, in terms of integrity, in terms of respect, and also in terms of considering us part and parcel of the entire community. Without us, there's nothing that's going to progress, because we need a society that is inclusive. Nobody should be left behind.
We have also seen through our research that we conducted as NACADA quite a while ago that people with disabilities are also being used very badly as drug peddlers. So they peddle bang, they peddle heroin, they peddle illicit alcohol, and that is what we want to stand firm as NACADA against. And we want to say that those who are using people with disabilities to peddle all these substances, your days are numbered. And we want to see people with disabilities being empowered. They cannot be empowered if they're engaging in alcohol and drugs.
Nigo bono igatia baria bali n'oborema bagokira obokonyi banyora Rituko ria rero na kuburia ogosirwa chinchira okura serikali.
Now through this article or act of parliament, it has been devolved to the governments, both governments, na wote sasa tunawaomba wafanye utekelezaji ambao unaweza ukasaidia mlemavu kufaidika zaidi. Kwa hivyo tena siku ya leo nimefaidika kuwa mmoja wao ambao walipewa mkongojo wa kutembelea. Kwa hivyo nauona ndio huu, na kwa hivyo nashukuru National Council for yale mazuri yote wanatufanyia, na pia tunaomba serikali zote sifuatilie mambo ya Global Disability Summit ya 2025 ambayo ilifanyika Berlin, na wafuatilie ndio walemavu wafanyiwe mahitaji yote ambayo wanahitajika.
I'm asking the county government to focus on the deaf, especially on interpretation. On issues of interpretation, we are facing challenges. Number one, in the hospital, there's communication barriers. When deaf come to the hospital, maybe a woman is pregnant and other different issues they have, there is no interpreter.
Kuripoteria Ense TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Chepethuel Machin.